Again, do it. Today we are going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. So I've been seeing a lot of people do videos about it. Personally, I feel like I can handle a lot of spiciness. You know, I am going to be having one of my good friends join me, and he is top-notch eater of the year. So not only one package, but we are going to be doing two. So we're going to see how this goes. He doesn't really know what he's getting himself into, but we're going to find out right now. Today we are gonna do the spicy noodle challenge ×2. So wish us luck. I think we have a high tolerance for doing it. You know, so let's get to it. Boy, man, it's gonna be so hot. We gotta try at least drink without the water in it. Oh, that doesn't even look healthy. So we're gonna at least try to do this without drinking water, okay? So we can do this without drinking water and be perfectly fine. I don't wanna do this. I do not wanna do this at all. You think you're ready for this?
I don't know.
This guy's already breathing hard. Well, let me know when you're ready to take your first bite. Oh, I'm already sweating. Woo!
Alright.
Okay. We get all the hot stuff, okay. Same time.
First? Same time?
Alright. Three. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Woo.
Bro.
How's it?
What'd you do, bro?
How's it?
You're supposed to do it with me.
I am. How's it feel? Not too
Oh,
bad.
that was the first bite right now. But it's spicy, yeah. It's gonna start kicking in. It's kind of hot, bro. It's kind of hot, only one bite.
My eyes twitching. Holy sh.
Bruh.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
you can't even, bruh. It's bad.
Alright, let's do it.
Bro, I feel it right here in my stomach. Bruh. I took one bite, might not be able to do it no more, bruh. Woo! But you don't feel that? Bro, my mouth is burning, bro.
Holy snap. Okay, without water. So hot. I would not recommend this. I'm sweating. Holy crap. I didn't know what I was getting myself into, man.
Bro, I feel that on my chest.
Holy shit. Woo! I'm rethinking about life.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Sweating.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
Bro, your nose is sweating.
I should have taken the garbage out from my mom, man.
This is bad.
Holy snap. Oh my god, that water looks so good.
Bro.
I'm almost done. Come on. Again, do it? Oh, no. I'm the last one standing. Come on. Oh my god. Oh.
Bro. We are not making this up.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh, you need a pepper. Oh my goodness. Where's the pepper?
You see my. Don't do this at home. Mm-mm.
Mm. Oh.
Bro, I'm crying, bro. I'm crying. This don't help.
Oh my lord. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. This is no joke. Bro, that's the hottest food I've ever tried in my life. Bro, I'm not doing this again. Bro. Oh, it's not stopping.
Bro,
Bro, this is not stopping.
I thought I was gonna die, bro. Bro.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, man.
Oh my god.
This thing plays you. It plays you.
On the back of the package it said, how's the chili pepper? No. This is hot as a, I don't know.
This thing plays you.
Don't do this at home.
It said
This guy's bleeding.
it starts off like it ain't nothing, and then it just kicks your ass. I don't feel my lips, bruh.
No, me neither. Oh man. That was some hot stuff. Aftermath.
Oh, oh man.